God, wow, yeah, this is what it's all about, you know. I just like to be out in nature so much. I'm always, walking around out here. A lot of people have come to call me Nature Guy. It's a bit of a fun little nickname. Well, it's what I call myself anyway. A lot of other people call me weird, creepy. Some people just call the police. Technically, I'm not supposed to be out here, but I can't resist. Apparently, you're not supposed to urinate in the woods next to a parking lot behind a car with people inside. How was I to know? Hi. Oh, that is pepper spray. I like to hike. I'm hiking. Yeah, I'm hiking. That's a fun word. Hiking. Starting to get a little winded here. This is healthy. This is fantastic because when you're out in nature, in the wilderness, you have to find sources of water wherever you can. So, yeah, there was definitely some excrement in that.